I love beauty products and tech, and this sounds like insanely cool to me. So I have to share with you. It's Prada's Augmented Skin Cream. What does that even mean, right? So I just got this in my mail and in a cute Prada bag. Thank you, Prada. And it's just incredible to just even hear what it is. So it says on the box, Prada Augmented Skin Cream, day and night, adapt your skin to the future. Coated with a Adapto NGN smart technology, the cream augments skin's resistance to daily challenges, co-formulated with all the ingredients that's good for your skin. So anyway, also has a QR code you could scan where you could see all the cool effects about it. Also, they sent me a Prada balm to go along with it. I already unboxed it in another video, but I wanted to show you details of packaging. And it has that coolest Prada logo on top. It's reflective, so I'll just show it from here. And it just opens like a cream. Well, I already peeled the first lid, but this is the second lid that you keep in here. And it has a cream. Now, this cream is also refillable, so you just pull it up like this when you're done, and you just refill this. And you get to keep the cool container. Also comes with the cutest Prada spatula. I mean, this is seriously the cutest spatula ever. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit in the packaging, but it's cool to maybe I could put a holder like right here for myself or like on the side, and then so that I don't ever use the spatula. Now the lip balm also has the Prada logo in the front, and when you open it up, it's that beautiful minty green color, but it's transparent coloring, and this is also refillable, so you could pull it out when you're done. This casing stays. And this is what you will refill. This is a magnetic lid, so you could always put it back on. Have some skincare on. So why don't I go wash my face and I could show you what it actually looks on me. So I just cleaned my face and there's nothing. I mean, literally nothing on my face right now. So I'm gonna start with the cream. But before I start, let me tell you my current skin condition right now. I'm feeling a little sensitive around this area. Tingly to be exact, and then I have been having little breakouts here, so it's a little oily. I don't know if it's actually oil or stress or irregular lifestyles because I've been traveling a lot. And the T-zone is actually not bad today, but usually I actually get really oily around here, and I have bigger pores like you can see on her area. And I have a little pimple here. So I want to see if this Prada Augmented Skin Cream actually could suit all my troubles. Open one lid, two lids. Actually, today I'm going to use it from back here because your girly wants all this cream. So, okay. That's 2 scoops right there. See? Saving all 3 scoops. And I think that's plenty actually, because that looks like it's a little more than pea size. Usually creams are meant to be only worn pea size amount. So just keep that in mind when you use this. I think I will usually only use maybe like half of this, what I just put on my face. But I wanted to say, ooh, first of all, okay, as soon as I smeared it all over my face, it was really hydrating feeling. It didn't feel like temperature-wise, it wasn't like it was so cooling effect or heating effect. But anywhere that was tingly, it's not tingly anymore, which is kind of cool. And then, I mean, look at this glow. Like, I'm impressed. Okay, well, Prada. They make good products. And I'm like, seriously, the most sensitive person in the world, I think, because my skin reacts within 10 minutes. I just put it on and it smells really great. It's kind of like thicker. It feels a little thicker than a regular lotion. It does definitely feel like a cream. It's not super light. It's like medium thickness, if that makes any sense to you. But let's wait 10 minutes to see how my skin looks. It's just a standardized lip balm. But about this lip balm, there isn't much technology per se because it's just a lip optimizing balm, but definitely moisturizing. So let's go ahead and wait 10 minutes to see if my skin has any reaction. Right, it's been about 10 minutes, I'd say. And no, there's no tightness here. I definitely feel like it's a little more absorbed. I don't know if it's just feeling, but it does feel tighter. My skin is very supple and just glowy. I also found that they also included a blue one. So not only did they give me the augmented cream, but also gave me 2 lip balms in different colors. So I'm excited to wear this everywhere because on a daily basis, I'm a lip balm girl. Since the skin looks so supple and good, let me just put on basic layer of foundation to show you if it still looks good. Okay, this is 1 layer of foundation, which is what I usually wear, and I think it looks perfect for me that I don't need anything else. Oh, the glow stayed. Incredible. So with that said, this augmented skin cream from Prada is on my like list so far. Let me try it for a few more days and I'll give you a little more updates.